Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another wonderful software for you. It's called I.R.I.S, and this one in a nutshell is the world's most powerful virtual assistant, super virtual assistant that completes your hundreds of marketing tasks in seconds using artificial intelligence. With just a keyword or any voice you want to voiceovers you command, you can always get this one to work. And with this you can create pages and funnel, you can create social media posts, you can create blogs, you can create anything you want with this one. It's a crazy little software that is going to help you do all your job online. It can help you with prompts, marketing prompts, anything you ask it is going to do for you. And it has this chatbot arrangement that is going to act as your chatbot assistant for any social media handle or any of the other programs you have out there. And it's hand-free, it works 24/7, and you say goodbye to freelancer hustles and ineffective employees forever. And with this you don't have any coding, no experiences virtually required, and no monthly fees ever. It's an amazing one. It goes live on the 9th of January 2024 at exactly 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time. And of course, if you stick with me, I will show you through the very dashboard area the software itself, which I am privileged to have access to, and also show you the bonuses that I have lined up for you for this one, which is going to eventually crack your mind as long as making up your mind is concerned, and of course show you through the pricing for this very amazing software from Pranshu Gupta. It's an amazing document, an amazing software you have here to help you as virtual assistants to actually do all the tasks you have, as long as it has to do with your marketing, and it does this in a fraction of a minute. Okay, so it's a great one. And right now what I will encourage you to do is to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon for notification. And at any point you decide to buy this product, that first link below in my description area will bring you to this sales page, where you are going to find a button like this one to give you access to this amazing I.R.I.S software from Pranshu Gupta. Okay, now let us go into more details. One of the benefits that strikes me in this very software is that it helps you deploy AI super virtual assistant to complete hundreds of marketing tasks in seconds, and you can easily create high quality and stunning website designs, landing pages and funnels, graphics, voiceovers with just a keyword, and easily plan and create ebook and courses hand-free. With this application you can finish your copywriting, SEO, YouTube, email marketing tasks professionally by just putting a keyword and tell the very AI what to do. Is going to craft that for you, and you have a custom AI chatbot builder in seconds, which means you can build chatbots for any person out there and charge them according to your terms. And you have access to 150,000 plus niche specific prompts for every scenario. Whatever prompt you want, you can always get prompts from the application itself by just giving it the idea of what you want to do. It's going to craft a lot of prompts for you, where you are going to find the adequate one that could become a description of a video or something. Okay, and with this you can explore the ultimate power of AI with I.R.I.S. AI and dump expensive virtual assistants online. You boost your affiliate commissions, grow your traffic list and affiliate sale, and you can turn simple business ideas into multi-million business with I.R.I.S. No extra charge, no monthly fees, no salaries required, and you have saved 50% of your marketing budget and use for a more expansion in 2024, as I.R.I.S application is going to do a lot of that for you by cutting you 50% of your budget on a monthly basis. Okay, and no complicated setup is required. Get up and running in 30 seconds, and you have 30-day money back guarantee on this one. Okay, so it's very explicit as long as I'm concerned. And now you have 3 basic steps normally to get this done. First of all is to buy this product using that first link below in my description area. Then you can log in and have access to this dashboard, where you are going to do the whole magic. And then the number 2 step will be to actually deploy the super VA for any task in a click, and choose from 150,000 plus prompts and templates to give straight like voice command, and that will definitely do the job you want. And then step 3 will be to use this very application to profit. because the super virtual assistant I.R.I.S will handle all the tasks smoothly 24/7, even if you're sleeping, and your profit will start pouring in through affiliate marketing or ebook production, which you can sell online, or any strategy you have out there. It's going to help you craft such a business for you. Okay, so you can imagine all the things you have. Website design, it can design for you. Logo, banner and graphics design. You have copywriting, you have digital products and courses, ebooks and flipbooks production. You have email marketing arrangement. You have sales video script writing. You have also sales script. You have affiliate marketing, SEO and marketing. Name it. You have funnel and landing page. And you have also social media marketing. You have organic traffic, customer service. Name it. High paying clients. You have cold calling. Everything is taken care of by this very application, and you don't have to extend and further your budget by getting human personal assistants out there, or virtual assistants that will cost you money on subscription basis. So this is going to help you avoid some of those expenses on monthly basis. Okay, so it's up to you now to make up your mind if this is going to be for you. But if you ask for my consent for this, or what I think about this, I think it makes a lot of sense, because I mean, everybody's going virtual, and of course you need virtual assistants to help you so that you can make money without having put so much effort. Okay, that is where we are going, and this product is a top-notch arrangement for that. Now let's see the very dashboard area and see what you have here. This is dashboard. Here you have the button for let's work. This is where you are going to choose from any of these templates depending on what you want to do. The email marketing, SEO, and all the rest of them. Anything you want, just click a template there and ask the question. Let's see if we can take a look at this one and see and ask a question to how do I start online marketing? For example, you go here, hold on a sec, so you see it's actually doing the job. It's taking a lot of time. Hold on a sec. Now this is all the information you have on how to start online marketing. It says define your goals. With this, it means determine what you hope to achieve with your online marketing efforts. This could include increasing brand visibility, driving website traffic, generating leads, boosting sales, and something else specific to your business. So you have about how many 8 different information on how to actually go about setting up an online marketing business for yourself. So that's basically what this product does for you. It takes you by the hand and make you go through all the information. Every of these things represents something, Facebook included, all the work you need, everything, all these templates you can, like Facebook, you can LinkedIn, everything is included here. So you can do anything you want by just asking a question. And here you have the list of work done for this, in this case, which is a folder here. This is where you have the list of work you have done already, and here you have the button for conversations, all the conversations you have had. You have all the information here. Okay, and then you have the AI templates with this one, all templates and my templates. So if you click here, you are going to find basically all the templates for this one. You can see you can use any of these to do your business. Okay, any of these templates you can do. If you want more, you can click on this button to have more, and you have access to voiceovers here, funnel and pages creation, and chatbot builder, and you have the leads, agency, what level, and the integrations in case you want to integrate it with any of your autoresponders like Aweber, MailChimp, and GetResponse, and the rest of them. So you have it out there. Now what I'm going to do is actually to include the demo video of this product in action in my description, so that you can watch the demo video and be able to see how it's going to help you. But it's a very, very simple thing, as I can see. Anything you want you can do with this arrangement. So I will leave it for you. When you arrive here, you'll be able to watch the demo video go through the training. It's very simple. It's copy and paste. The AI does everything for you. And then now let us take a look at the pricing for this amazing product. The funnel goes for front end $17, which gives you access to this dashboard. You have also the capabilities you have here. You have to create and sell website designs, landing pages and funnels, over voiceovers, graphics, blogs, content, ad copies, ebooks, courses, VSLs, business plans, emails, chatbots, video content, social media posts, audio, images, and much more. And you can activate I.R.I.S in 30 seconds as an expert and inbuilt 150 plus niche. Everything I have read so far is included in this very front end alone. So now you have the upgrades here. The OTO number 1, which is the pro version, unlimited, goes for 47. This means basically you have everything unrestricted and unlimited. So you have everything double of what you are paying for with this upgrade. And you have the OTO number 2, they done for you, which is 247. Here everything is done for you actually by the team of this. You don't have to lift a finger. Done for you package to sell high ticket offers. That's huge. You have the OTO number 3, which is the I.R.I.S Enterprise, goes for $47. You have OTO number 4 as the agency, I.R.I.S agency, for $57. Here you have the agency license to serve 100 unlimited clients and add 100 unlimited team members to your team, and you sell to anyone you want and keep 100% profit across the entire funnel. No product, no sales page, marketing material creation, quick start, software business in 3 simple steps, and keep 100% profit. So that's basically what you have as agency, which is one I will advise apart from the done for you edition. And OTO number 5 is the reseller, which is 197, which gives you the property proprietary owner of this very application, co-owner of this very application. That means you can resell this product as if it's your own and keep the profits across the entire funnel. And you have also the OTO number 6, the white label, which goes for $297. Here you can rebrand it, change logo, watermark, anything you want, and change even the brand name and launch it as if it's your product directly. So you have that white label capability with this very OTO number 6, which is for $297. Okay, so that's basically affordable. Okay, that's about the pricing for this one. Now let me show you the bonuses that I have lined up for you, which are going to definitely help you a lot make up your mind. Now, number 1 will be Ultimate Multi-Level Marketing Secrets, which is a PDF document detailed on how you can start online and develop your business exponentially. And you have this number 2, this building expert, which has a lot to do with this very product, where you do email marketing by building your list, because this very software is going to help you create all of that, where you are going to have access to anything you want, as long as creating your email list subscribers is concerned with who you can sell at a later date. Now you have the number 3 as the Internet Marketing Fast Start, number 4 Affiliate Marketing Secrets, number 5 30-day to bigger email list ebook, another important one, and Chatbot Marketing Mastery. This synchronizes completely with the very dashboard and capability of this I.R.I.S software, because here you have the Chatbot Builder, and with this very training you'll be able to master how to use it. Now you have the number 7 as building the perfect sales funnel, which is another thing that this I.R.I.S capability is doing, funnel and pages. So you'll be able to learn how to do so from scratch and then add that knowledge to the production you do with this very I.R.I.S software. You have blogging for profits also included in this I.R.I.S software, and you have email list building blueprint also included, and copywriting crackdown. You see, everything there is basically synchronized with this very what do you call it, bonuses I have for you. Okay, so that brings us towards the end of my bonuses for you, and of course you have had the pricing. And now let us return to the sales pitch and wrap this one up. Like I said, this product is going live on the 9th of January 2024 at exactly 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which will be 4 p.m. Central European Time and 3 p.m. GMT. And then that is when this very link where you will get access to it will be operational. But first, you need to click that first link below in my description and be able to get this amazing virtual assistant software that is going to help you deal with hundreds of marketing tasks in a very, very short time, and you don't need any special experience, no coding, and no monthly fees ever, which you are going to help you cut 50% of your budget that you pay to virtual assistants, that freelancers actually, that help you do these jobs that this very application is going to help you do from now on. And now it's up to you to make up your mind if this is going to be for you. But at any time you decide, I will encourage you to do so when the time comes, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, New York time. But for now, I will say goodbyes here, but do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon for notification, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye for now.